Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And today we are talking about our Sell Ticket add-on for our WP Event Manager. Our WP Event Manager lets you post and manage events on our WordPress website. And our Sell Ticket add-on extends our WP Event Manager functionalities so you can sell tickets for your event listings. For more details, you can always visit our official websites. That's wp-eventmanager.com. And on the add-ons page, you will find all the other add-ons including our Sell Ticket add-on. And for the Sell Ticket add-on to work, we need the registration add-on as mandatory. So make sure you have registration add-on purchased and installed on the WordPress environment of yours. So let's go inside. So in this page we have our licensing options. We have the personal and developer license. Developer license does come with benefits, and we have the features, and we have our documentation. And if we look closely, we have add-on requirements. So this Sell Ticket requires our registration add-on to work flawlessly, and we also require e-commerce to perform tasks as handling order, handling cart, or the order history, payment, such as. So WooCommerce is a plugin, or maybe you guys already know, that turns an WordPress website into a full-fledged e-commerce. I have already downloaded this Sell Ticket add-on into my computer and installed into this WordPress environment. We have a dedicated video how you can do that, like how you can upload an plugin or add-on into the WordPress environment of yours and install it. So as you see, we have the Sell Ticket add-on uploaded, and now we're going to activate it. And after that, we need to activate the license key. So I'm going to paste my license key here and press enter. So it says your license for WP Event Manager Sell Ticket has been activated. Always remember to activate your license keys for the add-on you are using. So after that, what we can do, we can go straight ahead and add some tickets into our events. Let's go to all events. In our previous series of registration videos, we used this event as a unified demo unit. So we are choosing this event. And then if we scroll down to bottom, we will see a new section here called ticket. So we have three kind of tickets: one paid, one free, and one donation tickets. So paid ticket is, of course, paid tickets. Free tickets is free, and donation ticket, what its purpose is, suppose your website is hosting a crowdfunding or charity event and you wanna donate the particular amount of tickets amount to a charity or for a crowdfunding project. In that way, you can separate the paid tickets from the donation ticket. So imagine if you want to have 100 paid tickets, right, for some reason, and then donation tickets such as 50 donation tickets, which fees or the amount you want to donate to a charity, you can do that from here. And if we go inside and paid ticket, all these details we will find very similar throughout this all ticket section over here, such as this paid, free, and donation ticket. And let's fill out these details very quickly. So we have our ticket name at first. Then we have number of tickets. So this is the limit, how many tickets are available. So let's set it to 100. Then we can set the ticket price. Let's set it to 100 as well. Then we can add a brief introduction or the details for this ticket. So let's type out our introduction. And then we have a tick box that says show ticket description on the event page. If we take this will show the description on the single event page, otherwise it won't. And below that we have a drop down. Pay little attention here. Here we have two options, one's pay by attendee and one's pay by organizer. Below that we have a little description to let users or the admin understand what these two drop downs do. First is fees will be added, ticket price, and paid by attendee. So if we choose this pay by attendee, all the fees will get added to the ticket amount and the user or the attendee has to pay it. Otherwise we can split it between the user and the organizer. So user will pay only the ticket price, but the fee will be paid by the organizer, right? And then we have our ticket visibility. One's public, visible for all, and then we have private. So that's only visible for organizers. Below that we have some limits, such as minimum ticket allowed per order. Let's set it to 1. Maximum ticket, you can leave it blank. Start date, so sell start date, let's set it to today as of now, and I will show you what if we set this date to a future date and what changes it does to the single event details page. So as of now, set it to today. Let's set this to 30th and 12 o'clock. So in here we have a checkbox that allows us to show remaining ticket count in the event details page. Let's tick that as well. And here we can limit only one ticket per customer. So let's tick that as well. And then we have ticket priority. So when we are done editing these ticket details, let's save changes. And here in this table, we have our ticket type, ticket name, ticket price, and ticket count. And from here, we can even edit and delete this ticket. Then let's add some free tickets as well for a better demonstration. As I mentioned, we have pretty much the same amount of information over here as well. So let's go ahead and fill this very quickly. So I have added the free ticket. As you can see, we have ticket type free right below the paid, and we have all the details. So ticket name, ticket price, of course free, and the remaining count and our action buttons. So let's go to the donation tickets. Let's fill out these details as well. So I'm not limiting one ticket per customer as it's a charity ticket. So let's save the changes. And now if we update this event with our ticket data, and let's open this event in a new tab. So here we have our event single details page. If we scroll down, we will see in the description area, we have a new section called ticket information. There we have a premium ticket and we have our charity ticket. So charity tickets, we set the amount for it 100 rupees, but we can even modify it. And for premium ticket, we cannot modify the price value, so it's fixed. We can select one for our premium ticket, and suppose we wanna donate to the charity for good cause. So in here we can define the charity ticket value as 150, and then let's click on order now. In our cart page, as we selected for one premium ticket worth 100 rupees and one charity ticket worth 150. So you see the difference between charity ticket and the premium ticket. So the paid ticket values is defined by the admin or the organizer. The charity ticket values are declared by the admin or the organizer, but the end user can donate or like modify the value in time of purchase. So let's go to checkout. And here we have our billing details such as WooCommerce requires. So remember in the starting I said our sell ticket add-on requires the registration add-on. This is why. So apart from the billing details, in our right hand side we see additional information. There we have order notes, so that's WooCommerce. Then we have ticket 1 that states premium ticket, so that's our product 1. Then we have our ticket 2, that's our charity ticket. So for each ticket we need to provide a full name and an email address. So this functionalities is coming from the registration add-on. If you watched our previous video, we saw how our registration add-on allows registration for a single event, and there we had to provide a full name and email address. So the same thing happening over here, but when we are purchasing a ticket. So we need a name and an email address for this ticket and for this ticket as well. So I have pretty much all my informations for billing filled over here. So let's provide the information required for these tickets. So the basic idea here, maybe this demonstration is not that perfect, but so the way I would like to explain is, suppose you're hosting a crowdfunding or charity event and you are listing some charity tickets to sell. So you can use the donation ticket section to list out those charity tickets, and users can define the extra amount of value they want to donate from their goodwill. So the premium ticket is very self-explanatory. It allows users to buy a fixed price ticket for an event to get access to. So now let's check out for this order. Ignore these check payments because as this is a demonstration, I have not added any payment gateway into it. We can use PayPal or the custom payment gateway solutions as well with WooCommerce. Feel free to explore. So let's place this order. So this is our order confirmation page. we can see our order number, date, our email, our total amount, and our payment method. So below that, we have our order details. So we have our premium ticket, our charter tickets, its respective values, and our billing details down here. So that was a successful order. So now if we go to our event registration dashboard and reload this page, so in here we have two new attendees. One's our first attendee over here with this name and email address, and second attendee. So these two emails I have used on the checkout page to purchase these tickets. So remember, as I said, our registration add-on works with our sell tickets, and we need to provide an email address and a name for these tickets. So those two entries got added here, so we can see those two email address and their name as an attendee as they purchased a ticket as well, right? So this is how it works. You list an event, you use sell ticket add-on for selling tickets, the ordering and the cart part gets handled by WooCommerce, and then we have our registration add-on which takes care of this registration. Sell ticket, registration, event manager. That's the flow. So this was our simple demo, how to add various tickets from the backend side. So we can do the same from the front end side as well. I will show you how. Let's go to post an event. So we have our event submission form at above. Then if we scroll down a little bit, in here we have paid tickets, free tickets, donation ticket options as well. So let's fill out these details as quickly as possible. Then we can move to the ticketing part. So I have filled all the required details up above very minimally. So let's click on this link to add a paid ticket. We have ticket name, ticket quantity, ticket price, start date, start time, end date, and end time. So in the other tab, we have ticket description, we have fees option, we have visibility, minimum tickets, maximum tickets, remaining count, and sold tickets individually. So that's one ticket per customer limit. And then we have the priority as well. We can even set the priority from here as well. So that's two-way option. Let's fill out these details. So I have added all the details for this ticket. I have already explained what each details this input does in the backend side. So down here we have our free tickets. We have all the same details over here as well. So let's fill it out very quickly. And then down here we have our donation ticket section. So if we click this, let's fill this out as well. So the basic concept behind this charity or the donation ticket is, I'll put it this way, since the amount from the ticket is going to the charity or crowdfunding, so whatever user pays, either its full amount or an increased amount or a less amount for the ticket, is going to the charity. So imagine users having less sufficient fund for the ticket, but he still want to participate in the crowdfund or for the charity. So he can like modify the ticket value from the declared ticket value to a lesser amount and still donate, right? And imagine an user having goodwill and donating a much higher amount for the ticket as well. In that way, our donation ticket section makes a perfect companion for sell tickets in charity events. So enough talk, we have added all the details over here. Let's hit preview. So let's submit this listing. So as always, if we are submitting an event from the front end, we need to of course approve it from our backend side. Let's do that first. So let's go to our event listing page. We have our second event. So if we scroll down, we have pretty much the same structure again. We have our premium tickets, our donation tickets, our free tickets. So our declared value is 50. So it's by default 50 over here. User can change it to 500 if they want, or to 10 if they want. It's pretty much depending on their wish. So, and hereafter, pretty much the same flow. We can order these tickets. We can proceed with the order, check out, and we will land to the order confirmation page, and the name and email used for this ticket will show up on our event registration dashboard. So this was our short introduction to our Sell Tickets add-on. We showed you how you can add various type of tickets from the back end and the front end. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you for coming along, and I'll catch you in the next one.